Welcome back, my friends. So our friends over at RunwayML have released a new multi-motion brush. Right, so for this image, we're going to try to make it look as realistic as possible. So if we brush in the smoke here, right, the smoke's going to be moving up a tiny bit, and then to the right a tiny, well, a bit faster than what it would, than what the background clouds and things would be moving, right? Brush 1, brush 2, we're going to brush in the background, get the sky moving. For the third brush, let's have some of the smoke in the foreground moving towards the camera. I think this is going to turn out pretty amazing. Let's have a look. Pretty keen to experiment a bit more with this. Let me know in the comments section what you guys think. We're going to move the sky to the right. We're going to take these leaves and things, and we're going to move them to the left. In this example, we are using 3 different brushes.